Welcome to Abora Catarina by Lopesan Hotels, one of the most vibrant and family-friendly all-inclusive resorts in Playa Del Ingles, Gran Canaria. If you're looking for a holiday that blends comfort, fun, and the island's legendary sunshine, this might just be your next destination. Hotel is rated as 4-star hotel and have one of the best location in Playa Del Ingles. Just 1-minute walk from Maspalomas Dunes and half an hour by bus from airport. Abora is large hotel with 410 rooms, 24-hour reception, restaurant, food corner, 2 bars, mini water park, Sundeck, gym and fast Wi-Fi. As you step into the hotel, the first thing you notice is the bright, cheerful design. Everything here feels modern, colorful and high standards. The atmosphere is relaxed, welcoming, and perfect for couples, families, or anyone who wants a carefree getaway. Outside, the resort opens up into a spacious pool area, surrounded by palm trees and plenty of sunbeds. Whether you're here to unwind with a drink or splash around with the kids, there's a spot for everyone. And speaking of kids, yes, the water park is a huge hit. Inspired by the mythical sunken city of Atlantis, it's packed with slides and water features that keep the little ones entertained for hours. Abora Catarina is all-inclusive only hotel. The hotel's food court offers a mix of international dishes, themed stations, and grab-and-go options. Perfect if you're heading out to explore the island or the nearby Maspalomas Dunes, which are just a short walk away. If you like entertainment, daytime activities, or evening shows, there's always something happening. But if you prefer quiet moments, the hotel has plenty of peaceful corners in garden or rooftop Sundeck with beautiful dunes view, where you can simply enjoy the warm Canarian breeze. Hotel offers 410 rooms with garden or street view, some of them with private swimming pools. The rooms are bright, spacious, and designed with comfort in mind. Many offer pool views, and if you're looking for something extra special, the deluxe adults-only rooms with direct pool access take relaxation to another level. I stayed in standard double room with view. This room was very good size with large balcony and features air conditioning, a tea and coffee maker, safe deposit and free fast Wi-Fi access. The unit has 2 comfortable beds. Mini bar may be filled for additional charge. And of course, you're right in the heart of Playa del Ingles, one of Gran Canaria's most iconic destinations. Beaches, nightlife, shopping, and the famous dunes are all within easy reach. So whether you're planning your next holiday or just dreaming of sunshine, Abora Catarina by Lopesan Hotels offers a mix of fun, comfort, and island charm that's hard to beat. Thanks for joining me on this little tour of Abora Catarina by Lopesan Hotels. Whether you're dreaming of sunshine, planning your next escape, or just exploring what Gran Canaria has to offer, this hotel is really good choice. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next adventure. And if you've stayed here before, drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.